Good morning guys, and welcome back to the channel. In a spirit of keeping up with the maintenance of my 6, today we're gonna do the really super simple job, which is replacing the air filters. Of course, remove the cover. You have to release these two clamps on each side. It's a flat screwdriver or a 6mm socket, totally up to you. Then you have to remove these two sensors, unclip them. The top one, just pull the tiny little gray piece, and on this side same thing, is just the little plastic tab is underneath, so just be careful like digging through. And then you're gonna have I believe 7 or 8 T, looks like a T25. They're gonna go all the way around. You have to loosen them up, and then you'll be able to remove this cover. There you go. Take the cover off, and then you can grab a filter. Make sure you're seated, and just to do everything in reverse, tighten up the clamp, put those screws back in, and that's it. Thank you guys for joining me. See you guys soon. As soon as my leg gets better so I can crawl underneath the dash, I'm going to show you how to change cabin air filters. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and see you soon. Bye bye.